Need extra seating and hidden storage? Let's build a clever cube that does both, with just wood, fabric, and some basic tools. Start with a square board, 40 by 40 centimeters. Add a same-size piece of foam and glue it in place. Place it foam side down onto your chosen fabric. Fold the sides in and staple them to the back to create a clean, padded seat. Now glue your padded piece to a stain board. This will be the top of your cube. Build the box using four 44 by 44 centimeter boards. Glue each corner and secure them tightly. Glue and nail the final board to the bottom to close it up. Now your cube is starting to take shape. Stain the entire box to match the top and give it time to fully dry. Flip it over and add four sturdy caster wheels, one in each corner, for easy movement. Place the top on with the plain side facing down to use it as a table, or flip it for comfy extra seating whenever you need it. Storage inside, function outside. It's a seat, it's a storage box, and it rolls wherever you need it. Clever, right?